Ooh, bad TV.
Nah, I ain't gonna even lie, this is one of my favorite guns. The Springfield Armory XD45 Tactical. The long barrel, full size. 13 rounds. I love this fucking pistol, I can't even lie. Nah, it's a big gun, but it's surprisingly light. It only weighs in at 31 ounces. Low recoil. I love shooting this gun. It's one of my favorites. Like, I ain't gonna even lie, like, this is one of my all-time favorites. Like, if it's not my favorite, like, the sights are spot on. If you are not accurate with this gun, you should just stop fucking shooting. I love this gun. I swear.
Hey, look. 45 XD, 45 XD. Let me squeeze. Oh, the sights on this motherfucker. The sights on this motherfucker spot on. The sights on this bitch spot.
Knock that propane down. Ooh.
Come on. Come on. You should point at the targets too. Just point down at them targets too. You see, hitting every shot I take. These targets spot the fuck on though.
Ooh.
This XD, hey, I'm dangerous. This right here is the type of shit like these sights. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Spot the fuck out. Oh, baby girl. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my love. Oh, my love. Hey, the sights on this gun, fuck that. I don't care. Like I say, y'all say I say a lot of crazy shit. Man, these sights on this gun are way better than the sights on the fucking Glock. I'm talking about the sights on this gun are better than the sights on the Glock. Man, the XD45, thumbs up for me. Fuck what you talking about.
Ooh, bad TV.